Did you make a friend?
Yeah. Are you camera shy?
He's a cutie. Hi, pretty bird. Hi, pretty bird. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Oh, pretty bird.
Do you want the big piece?
He must be getting full, I bet.
Yeah. It's a lot of bread. Nope, break it in half, she said.
Pretty bird.
Just little bits at a time. No, I just want to sleep.
Yeah, she wants to take a nap. Look at her.
Oh, you good birdie. Yeah. You like me? Are you my friend? Yes, you are. You can just fall asleep just like this.
Oh yeah, totally. After a good meal like that.
Mm-hmm. That's what they're used to.
Some good old everything bagel. Uh-huh. Oh, there, the eyes are closed. She's asleep. She's out. Her dad. I wonder where her dad went.
She can be on her own now.
Yeah, she can fly.
She flew out of the nest.
Yeah. Well, that really is cute.
Oh, I bet.